Hey guys, welcome to the channel and to this short video where I will make a budget paint stirrer. One popular way of mixing paint is to put the stainless steel ball into the paint jar. But instead I decided to try to convert a budget milk frother into a paint mixer. Common for all these models is that they are very simple. They consist of a stirrer at one end, a housing with a DC motor, an on-off switch and the battery compartment. The cheapest ones cost between 1 and 2 euros. So let's try it. Okay, that seems a little bit too powerful. Let's remove the spring. I decided to remove the protruding part of the metal ring. Everything seems to be at the same level now. I think I'm brave enough now to make a test shot. Alright, that went well. So I think I'm a little bit more confident now to try this on a real paint jar. I decided to try this on a Tamiya metallic paint that have been sitting in the paint rack for ages. The pigments are clogged to the bottom of the paint jar. Okay, let's do this. Look at that, silky smooth. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.